Vidit is looking at every little change in the evaluation क्यों हो रहा है, and I think this analysis is very difficult to do. मतलब it is not an easy thing for any normal player to do. It's just that Vidit sees all these things so quickly, and he's able to explain it to you guys with arrows and everything. It's very nice.
Sagar bhai, why do you have to be so nice all the time?
No.
Can you be a bad guy sometimes?
I mean, see,
Can Sagar be a bad guy?
the general thing is you cannot like I came on the stream, it's been like 20 minutes and I got to learn so much. I mean, I got to learn so much.
Arey, thank you. Ayushi ji has sent a message. Sagar can have a whole bunch of emoticons made of the expressions and the onomatopoeia he uses while watching a game of chess. What is the definition of onomatopoeia? I forgot.
Onomatopoeia, if I'm not wrong, is basically like the words which the same sound. No,
not same sound. आयुषी जी की सुपर चैट अभी गूगल करने.
The formation of a word from a sound associated with what is named. Okay.
Explain करो गुरुजी. गुरुजी explain onomatopoeia.
The formation of a word from a sound associated with what is named. Example: cuckoo, sizzle. Onomatopoeia is the process of creating a word that phonetically imitates, resembles, or suggests the sound that it describes. बोला ना sound के related है तेरे को.
तो example दो ना.
जैसे मैं बोला ओ, ऊ, आ, मतलब ऐसे something like that, yeah. वो क्या करता है रे तेरी तो. So I'm getting surprised or something like that. No, maybe I'm wrong. Hey Ayushi, can you please give a good example of onomatopoeia? Woof woof. Oh, people are saying in the chat. Woof woof is onomatopoeia.
Example third. Oh, okay. You by the sound you express the
O's and R's. Yes, Ayushi, you are absolutely right.
Like with the sound you express an emotion kind of. ऐसा क्या?
Chat में सब लोग बाओ कर रहे हैं. मियाओ मियाओ.
चलो कुछ chat.
Ayushi, this is the power of your super chat. Yeah, you just made the entire chat go boo boo wow wow. Look.
Chat is completely now ooh ah.
Please ask Anshuman ji to share career advice.
Improving chess and improving finances with Anshuman ji in the morning.
Anshuman ji is epic.
Like 70,000, no?
70,000.
My mind is blown.
And basically he's giving 70,000 and he's writing in super chat, क्या मस्त काम कर रहे हो आप लोग सब लोग and क्या अच्छे लोग. I mean like अरे आप इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो, you know, amazing. But also, I mean, there were so many other people. Like when I wrote the article, and when we found the entire list, we saw that there was Karthik Ram Srinivasan who gave 36,000, Shirish Nagwekar 28,000, Zeus 21,000, Mohan GG 15,000, Gaurav Gupta 10,000. I mean,
unbelievable. So nice of you to write down all the names and to publish this article.
Yeah. Well, that's Amit Shirsagar. Indian Chess Day, 25th. Yeah?
25 minutes in and Sagar is learning English too now.
The thing is, you get to learn so much on the stream is amazing. And I'll tell you guys.
Onomatopoeia was written by Ayushi ji. You googled the meaning. Chat explained the meaning. और बोल रहे हो you get to learn on Vidit stream. मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं.
Chess सिखाना यार मैंने. Chess. Vidit एक live game एक position हो जाए सिर्फ before we leave.
एक पोजीशन एंड देन वी रेड राजा.
ओके.
आनंद का गेम देखते हैं थर्ड राउंड.
अरे हाँ आनंद भाई. आनंद सर. अरे बट
सागर को टफ पोजीशन में डाल दिया.
अरे ऐसे ही बोला मैंने बट यू नो
अभी समय पाए.
आई जस्ट होप दैट आनंद विल विन टुडे.
लोग ने ये भी लिखा मुबा लाला. आपको पता है? अरे फ्लाइंग बीस्ट का रेफरेंस.
मुबा लाला ऑफ कोर्स. रसबरी.
What do you think of the position?
Okay, I will
Pretty
explain.
equal to me.
I will explain and you tell me what I explained wrong.
Only
Yeah.
onomatopoeia you can explain.
Ooh, A5 has been played. Ooh, ah. Okay, so my thinking is my
Normal thing explanation, please.
my thinking in this position is that so I am getting a feeling that the position is around equal, but white can I don't know, I feel white can push very slightly क्योंकि वो knight is somehow slightly better than the bishop. Am I right?
डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया सागर भाई, आपने चैट डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया.
क्यों, क्या बोला मैंने?
चैट डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया.
अरे 18+ ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्यों क्यों?
सागर भाई, राजा को रेड करते चलो अभी.
अरे मैंने बोला क्या? अरे ओ अच्छा ओ. Okay. अरे मुझे ओ आ नहीं करना चाहिए, अभी समझा मुझे. अरे मैं कुछ बोलता नहीं हूँ. अरे यार ग्रीडी वीडी है, फिर विदित ओपी है, इतने सारे इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है, कुछ ना कुछ तो इसमें मीम बन ही जाएगा.
अभी राजा के अकाउंट को रेड करते इमीडिएटली. चलो आपने
अरे पर मुझे समझा के तो जाओ कि क्या ये बराबर है कि नहीं.
सब क्या बराबर, सब बराबर.
अरे चैट
बैन ओनोमोटोपिया. चलो अभी रेड करते राजा.
आयुषी, don't worry. I don't feel bad or anything.
चलो अभी राजा को रेड किया. सागर इज टू इनोसेंट, प्रोटेक्ट हिम प्लीज, आयुषी जी कह रहे.
सागर सिंस लिख रहे हैं.
बंद करना पड़ेगा स्ट्रीम, आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जा रहा है.
पहले मुझे समझता भी नहीं था ये लोग क्या लिख रहे हैं, बट आई हैव सीन वन वीडियो बाय भुवन बाम, वो एक सौ फिर मुझे वो समझ गया. अभी मैं बंद करता हूँ, विदित को बॉडी टेंशन आ रहा है, कुछ तो गलत होगा.
पैनिक अटैक आ रहा है मुझे.
बाय.